Let's talk about Boveda One-Step Easy Humidor Seasoning Packet 84RH. Used for seasoning wooden humidors. Use 184 pack for every 25 cigars the humidor can hold. Slowly raises the moisture of the wood inside, to prevent cracking and warping. Leave in humidor for 14 days, then replace with standard Boveda. Shelf life is 2 years in original packaging. My humidor is around 20 cigars capacity. After 3 days in my seasoning humidor, this pack is doing the job. The humidity is constantly somewhere around 71 not 84. Probably because of my humidor, which is very dry. I will update this every 34 days during this period of 14 days. I believe the price is a little bit high. If you want to pay the delivery for only one pack, this would be almost as expensive as the Boveda pack. For that I will give it only 4 stars. A matter of utility and efficiency, Boveda 84RH One-Step Easy Humidor Seasoning is, as much as I know, the only product on the market that gives us the extra easy way to season our humidors. For that I would give it 6 stars if possible. It's up to you to choose the method for seasoning. The easy and long way with Boveda, or the faster and not so easy way with the usual old school methods. I prefer Boveda even if it takes time and more money. I believe the result. Really easy way to properly season a humidor, the patient 2-week method. Boveda are well known and trusted. Many people don't realize that these can be reused. SHH. Ideal for seasoning a new humidor, 1 for every 25 cigars it will hold. Leave 14 days, job done. Easy as falling off a pyramid. The traditional seasoning method will shock the wood, possibly warp it, so this, and then 72RH to follow, I would suggest, for perfect cigar storage.